Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to fix a broken zipper with a fork. This simple trick can save your favorite jacket or bag. We'll focus on reattaching a zipper slider that has separated from its teeth. You'll need just a few common household items: a standard dinner fork, a pair of pliers, and about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Let's get started on this quick repair. Before we use the fork, it's crucial to prepare the zipper. Lay your item flat and make sure the zipper teeth are fully separated at the bottom stop. If any teeth are bent or out of alignment, carefully use your pliers to straighten them. This creates a smooth, even track for the slider to re-engage. Take about 1 minute to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Now for the clever part. Take your zipper slider and carefully place it between the two middle tines of your dinner fork. This holds the slider steady. Next, align one side of the zipper teeth into the slider's opening. With the fork providing stability, gently push the slider down onto the teeth. You should feel it start to engage. This step usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. With one side of the zipper engaged, carefully guide the second set of teeth into the slider's remaining opening. It might require a little wiggling. If the slider feels too loose after reattachment, you can gently crimp its sides with your pliers to tighten it slightly. Finally, test your repair by slowly pulling the zipper up and down the track a few times. Your zipper should now work smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.